Sa mga nagnanais na maging for real ang kanilang dream wedding, good news dahil may wedding fair na maghahatid ng primera klaseng serbisyo at suppliers na swak sa inyong budget. In-announce ng JLB Events Management Service na kasado na ang Unveiled, a wedding fair year 4 from May 22 to 24 sa Vista Mall, Pampanga. Mahigit 6 na pong supplier ng venues, caterers, photo and video services at marami pang iba ang kasama sa mas pinalaki at mas pinabonggang wedding fair na pupwesto sa second at third floor ng Vista Mall. Kaya naman asahan ng exclusive discounts and promos para sa ika-4 na taon ng Unveiled.
Siyempre, we've been part of this Unveiled events for the longest, for 4 years na po. Lagi naman in every mga fairs na ganito, we give like promotion of you can book us direct on that day, pero minimal lang yung reservation fee. At the same time, we usually give 10% discount sa mga venues and villas that we have at Lakeshore po.
As we cater venues and events, usually nagpro-provide din po kami ng freebies na mga villas or discounted villas. So we are expecting much more na easier and less hassle para sa ating mga couples or other events po.
So our packages po are fixed rate. So we don't increase or decrease based on the kalagayan po ng economy or any crisis. So for now po, our rates are fixed. So if you signed the contract with us on that specific rate, then that's it. No hidden charges and no other charges incurred.
Ayon kay Jomel Lingat Bernel ng JLB Events Management Service at organizer ng Unveiled, unang araw pa lamang ng wedding fair ay may hatid na silang regalo sa mga magpapabook.
And this wedding fair happening on May 22, and that will be on Friday, we will be giving our very first to our suppliers, kasi naipasok ko na, ang Friday's Best. So definitely, ang Friday's Best natin, one-time, big-time promo. So we will encourage our exhibitors, suppliers, that they have to share a huge discounts with our couples. Or minsan kasi may nagbe-birthday sa mga nag-a-attend. And what I love about Unveiled Wedding Fair, eto lang ho yung wedding fair na pumupunta talaga mga ikakasal.
At ngayong may krisis, tutulong din sila sa mga ikakasal at may okasyon para makamit ang kanilang dream celebration.
Sa panahon ho ngayon na nagkakaroon tayo ng pandaigdigang krisis, patunay lamang na alahong pisasabihan na akwaking masanting apami sabi. Yun ho yung ina-assure namin sa lahat ng mga soon-to-be bride and groom at saka mga kliyenteng pupunta sa Unveiled na lahat ho ng ating mga suppliers dito will be informed. And definitely, they will share the same sentiment. Pero kasi ining kaya katamong crisis with this panyalwan, litas nga ng ega na gana, pwede kasing manage siya in a way nung na mo yung pwedeng kailangan. What are essentials will be placed or set on the table? And what are non-essentials, iilita na lang ko consider. Kaya at sumuko makanano yamisit in planner or coordinator.
Kaya sa mga soon-to-be couples, pwede na magpa-pre-register. Just visit the Unveiled, a wedding fair website and JLB Events Management Service for more information.
To our soon-to-be bride and groom, and of course, any celebrations, come and visit Unveiled Wedding Fair Year 4 happening on May 22 to 24 here at Vista Mall, Pampanga. Let's make your dream celebrations into reality because we create, you celebrate.
Unveiled Year 4! Ladies and gentlemen, that firmly ends up.
Ako si Jody Dizon Mercado para sa CLTV 36 News.